So now this is where you could have your coffee in the morning and your glass of wine at night and look at those views.
That pond is over a half an acre, and it's got a lot of activity. And the foliage throughout the year is beautiful. Every season has its own color combinations.
And again, off of the patio there, there's an outside storage that you can, house, if you like to like put your pots in there, like in the wintertime, and brooms, along with the detached garage.
This has a scaffolding for an awning, and the awning is stored in that storage shed that Vicki mentioned.
So you can see how big the unit is.
There's a lot of lawn in front of it, off that side, but you don't have to cut that lawn. And you don't have to remove snow from the walkways.
Right up to your door.
This is fully senior living. They take good care of all the residents.
I'm sure you've cut enough lawn in your life that you don't want to have to worry about it. And as you can see, this is an aerial view of the community. So Dave, why don't we talk about the community?
The community has over 1,740 homes. The construction era was between late 70s to the late 90s. And 2,700 people, plus or minus, varies. At the moment, there's 19 houses on the market. There's lots of outdoor and indoor activities as part of your homeowner association. You have tennis courts, you have pickleball courts, you have paddleball courts, bocce court, horseshoes, shuffleboard, and the community center has game rooms and a library. And the library is staffed by volunteers, and they get an influx of books every month. And once a year, they have a major sale of used books. And it's a great opportunity to meet and greet people through the community center.
Right, and they have a nice walking trail. And in your association fees, that includes, when this was built,